Reserve. Duke, you wanna go hiking? Wanna go hiking? Wanna go hiking? That looks like they allow horses or something here. Guys, another early morning hike. We're out in Lakeland right now, right off I-4. So, and I've actually been here in the past. So, glad I'm able to show you guys this trail. So, let's go ahead and make this happen. Let's make this a beautiful hike. It's a 4.9. Let me see. Yeah, 4.9. It's about an hour and 25 full loop, 26 elevation. And looks like we got some creeks and stuff. Get our batteries today. Bring my bear spray today. Oh, we need a towel. I'm gonna do bug spray because I'm not sure. Stinky bug spray, but it helps. Ow. Everything. Let's do it. Duke's already waiting for me. Come on, Doogie! Come on, Doogie! Come on! Lord, can you stop your hike? Be prepared. Check out the map. So we are here. Horse trail maps. Yeah. This is pretty cool here because it's a horse thing too. You gotta step up to get on your horse, tie your horse up. That's red. Wow, there's quite a few here. That's good to know. Wesley Kent Bailey, 1920. Alright. That gate's open now because that guy came in here, so I wonder what's on back here. Looks like a control fire. Oh, here's some poopies. You do not roll on that. I will roll. Hey, get up! Alright, so we're just gonna stay on red for now. Sun's coming up and it's a beautiful day. No! Good boy. Maybe that's the little creek. Moon, half moon up there. Looks good. Now, explore with your mobile phone. Oh, that's cool. Oh, you're getting attacked by the little birds attacking the big bird. There's a cabin back there or something. I remember being here before, and I think I did this trail that we're on right now. Well marked, wide open. I think we'll just stick with red today, and then we know in the future we can come here and there's what, yellow, blue, white, horse through. Huh. And this is pretty much what we're going to see, is just enjoying the birds chirping. Nice trail, the sun coming up. But let me introduce myself. I'm Trav Dev. This is Dookie. And we're traveling around the United States to show you guys the reality of what it's like to be in nature. What it's like to camp in a camper van. What it's like to camp 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 1 day, 1 week, a weekend camp. National parks, state parks, county parks, local parks, anywhere we can to enjoy this beautiful America. And I want to bring you guys along to show you. Will you come along? American Freedom Tour 2024 is getting fired up, and we're here in Lakeland at this beautiful trail and park on an early morning at 7 a.m. and Dookie's all pumped and ready. Look at him, you can tell. See how much easier it is from the last night's video? How he, oh Jesus, freaking spider webs or silkworm. How so much easier it is when he's off the leash. So I don't know about you guys, but I really enjoy being in nature, smelling the fresh air, all the different fragrance of vegetation. It feels so good, especially in the morning. Love getting up early and getting out there and enjoying this nature that we have. But I look forward to you guys here in a few weeks to start traveling a little bit north up to Georgia. Not really sure at this point, just planning, thinking how I'm going to do this. All I know, I got to be in Idaho July 4th week. So it's definitely a game trail right here. Telling about that's deer. I think the last time I was here, a few years ago, I think I seen a couple deer on the outside. Guys, remember, every night at 7 p.m. come chill with me. Sometimes I'm on live and we can chat, ask some great questions, and I can give you updates of what I'm doing in the future. So look forward to meet everybody. Alright, this is a trail to hop over to the yellow. Doesn't look like it. That's a different noise. So red and yellow, so we might be able to hit yellow. It'll take us back on a different route. Cattle grazing lease in effect on this property. Hikers may encounter livestock. Please do not approach, otherwise disturb. Approach otherwise, dogs allowed. That's a bonus. Oh, there's a white deer there, right there. butt right there. Alright, now we're on trail yellow. And the way it looks on the map, we should be able to get there from here. Alright, well, we're still on yellow, and it shows on my GPS that the, okay, I see the marker out there where that tree's at, the yellow paint on it. I could just follow Duke, like I said in the last video. Duke knows the way. Well, I have to say this is a very well marked trail. So, alright, so we're gonna go. Either we can go right, take that loop, or go straight. I'll take that loop around and back. I kind of want to skip over here. Maybe we'll go this way, into there, around to there, and there. Already at 1.7, 1.8 miles. Yeah, pretty good. 3 white-tailed deer over there, but one off the right behind that bush. Alright, so we can go right, or we go left, straight. I think I want to go right, because it looks more interesting. Yeah, we're going to go right. I think let's put us in the woods a little bit, give us a little bit more to look at. Right here too. I'm talking. So we'll take us back to the main trail we were just on, and then we'll take another right, or keep going straight. We'll see once we get there to see what it looks like. Oh man, that'd be nice to be able to hop over somehow. Creek. Come on, Duke, we might be able to sneak down here. Yeah. Alright. Come on, Duke. Come on, sneak down this way. Yeah. Nice. Horses. Hopefully up here we can sneak. Alright, so we would, if we kept on going that way, it would have brought us back this way if we stayed on this trail. So now I'm hoping up here we can get cross over to the right again. Right here, then we can get back to where we were. And we're already at 2.7 miles in. It's not bad, 2.7 mile hike for an hour. Pretty happy for myself there. Let's go check this out. Looks like sinkholes. I wonder if that's the trail right there. Hey, no. No, come here. I don't know what that's at. Yeah, the horses went this way, or down here. Some spider webs. Come on, dude. Oh, there's a fence. Fuck. There's the trail right there. Fuck. Come on. Oh, be careful. Come on. All right. Go on. Go on. To make a shortcut. Let me make sure I have everything. Alright. I made it. Whew, that was intense. Yeah, so we're back on trail to get us to a quicker area. I'm mad the bad filming, but I had to get underneath there. I hope I got some good shots. Anyway, we're on the trail, and I hope there wasn't any poison ivy or poison oak. Hey, something's staring at me. Maybe those deers, because I got major goosebumps going through my body right now. Oh, there he is. I did cut myself up pretty good though. We went from red, yellow to blue. Not bad of an eagle eye for a blind guy. I just started as we came around that corner right there. Bunch of crickets. Alright, so we should be taking a right along this fence line. No. That'll make sense to go this way. Hopefully there's a fence that we can get in. There's no trail here there, people. Alright, there's two. Where, dude? Where? Stay. someone behind us. So I'm thinking this is maybe orange. Oh, I lost my piece of paper. You don't see me? Yeah, I do, bud. We just stopped and got some water. But we're kind of on a mission to get there so we don't run into this dog and lady behind us. Ready? Alright. That was probably that orange loop that lady's on. We made our own trail. So we went from red to yellow, blue to orange, and then back to red. So it's not people I'm hearing. I'm hearing some cows mooing. Man, I think this is the longest hike of the winter, at least. Alright, we're getting to something here. Not that big, but it's that way. A bridge. Man, we did a lot. Clear that water is. Nice. Well, I think that we pretty much showed what we can show. I mean, there's more trails into here, but we kind of hit up every trail. Prescribed fire. Nope, come on. Nope. There, we still gotta keep going. And it should take us right to the parking lot. And it's perfect for trail running races, training. I think it's wide open. It's flat, somewhat flat. Yeah, we came in this spot. Oh boy, come on. We're almost there. We see the road. We're definitely on the trail now. Moon's still up there. So we've been burning this up, it looks like. So we saw 2 people. So there are 2 more out there somewhere. That's awesome. And hopefully they're watching my channel. Alright guys, this is going to conclude this hiking trail, and we did roughly exactly 6 miles in 2 hours and 18 minutes. So thanks for watching this episode. Remember, every night at 7 p.m. Trev Dev Adventures is premiering. I might be on there live, might not, who knows, but stop in, say hi, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Freedom.